I am Monica Creer and this is my truth. I refuse to stay broken. After years of putting everyone else first, my 4 boys, 2 failed marriages and even people who betrayed me. The final blow was catching my ex-boyfriend with my ex-daughter-in-law. At 120 kilograms, I didn't recognize the woman in the mirror. That was the moment I chose to stop existing and start living. I joined Ballroom, the Slimming Lab, then Julius Gym in February of 2025, where I told Coach Chuck my story and began training. Fitness became my therapy. I faced betrayal, heartbreak, abuse, and self-hate. I showed up every day, even after complaining constantly. My son Puni inspired me, and now I inspire others. With the support of Corey, Belinda, and Chuck, I pushed beyond my limits. Today, I am building a legacy, showing my sons what strength looks like and proving to women that you're never too old or never too broken. This is not just a transformation, it's a revolution. My advice, don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. If you decide to change, start now. I am not chasing skinny, I am chasing gevaarlik.